No, this isn't two different paper pads, but we've got two looks in one. Hunky Dory is calling them Duo Design paper pad. Now it is 8 inches by 8 inches, which is a great size. On one side you have Cottage Garden. On the other side you have Beautiful Burlap. Let me show you what that means. Now in total there are going to be 48 sheets. You're going to get 12 designs and you're going to get 4 sheets of each one. So here is the Cottage Garden. How pretty is that? And there's the burlap on the back side. Just makes a really nice all-over pattern. There you go. And again, the burlap. There is our Cottage Garden and the burlap on the back. So they're going to coordinate perfectly. Of course, you can use them separately. And there we go with the blue. Very pretty, very rustic looking, don't you think? Kind of a vintage garden. How pretty is that? And on the back side and more. So burlap is really incorporated in some of the papers on the front of the garden set as well as the overall on the back. And it's fun to see all of the colors. And there you go. And more, kind of a tapestry look as well. And whoops, that's not the right one. So sorry. Okay, that's actually another Duo Design paper pad. So as you can tell, we have all of these in 8 by 8 and they come in one book. They're perfect and they're here from Hunky Dory.